Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get free Robux. Now the first thing you're going to want is to create a folder, just any folder, any name. Once you've created the folder, you're going to want to open VS Code by typing in your terminal or command prompt code dot. Now once you've done that, just create a new file. I'm just going to call it index.js, and so yeah. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is put in your code. Now you're going to want to copy this out, so I'll let you do that. I'll scroll through it. Anyway, okay, so now that you've gotten that copied out, just save that. Copy that again. Now you're gonna want to go to roblox.com, just like that. Log into your Roblox account. I'm already logged in. Okay, now Control-Shift-I or Control-Shift-CC, I think it is. Now you can take your code, make sure you have it copied. Let me just do that. Paste it into the console. Here you can see all of it. Let you make sure that you've got it all copied down correctly. And then once you have it all in there, just click enter. And you now have a whole load of Robux. Now, if this tutorial helped you out getting Robux, make sure to like and subscribe, as it really helps me out. And thank you for watching and listening.